So hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Vada and today we are going to talk about a term which is trending in the market currently. Yeah, that is why coding. So if you have heard about this word, there are various doubts might be prevailing in your mind. Like what do we mean by this? How to do it? And one of the most important question, will this vibe coding going to replace job of web developers? Yes, no, maybe. So in today's video, we will try to get answers of all these questions. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, what do we mean by vibe coding? Vibe coding is just basically a way to write a code by giving prompt using various AI agents and tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek and all. And today we are going to create a travel website using ChatGPT. So let's start. So now as you can see we are over here at ChatGPT section. So let's start. Okay, so it has given us a code. Now we will just copy paste it into our VS Code edit. Okay, so now look at this. No, I'm not liking it much, so we will further enhance it.
75 years later.
So after fixing some bugs and giving some additional prompts, we have got a good sleeky travel site named as TravelGo, which have options of flights, train, buses, hotels. Its CSS also appears good. You can go and search for various destinations. You have login sign up thing over here, and you can search any destination. Like let's search for Mumbai, and when we click on search, it's saying that searching for Mumbai. And this is the basic layout for a website which you can create simply by just giving a prompt to AI agents like ChatGPT. Besides ChatGPT, there are various other AI agents like DeepSeek, Cursor AI, Lovable AI, Windsurf, all of these things which you can use to improve and boost your productivity and master your skills. So as of now, after ChatGPT, we are working on another AI agent which is known as Lovable AI. So let's see. As we have given the same prompt which we have given to ChatGPT in starting. Now let's see what does this Lovable AI builds for us. So now let's see what this AI agent has created for us. Okay, so this is the page for our travel website. We have different places to search on for, view all destinations, package over here, Bangkok, okay, all of these things we already by choose travel hub, what the travelers say, the addresses and all of the footer. Well yeah, it has done most of the work very easily. So as of now, we have created two different website designs by using two different AI agents, and we can do a lot more like photo generation, video generation by using various different AI tools. If you want a full detailed video on this, then comment below and let me know. So as of now, we have seen that the work for which a professional developer took at least 2 days is now getting completed within 20 minutes. So now the major problem arises whether these AI agents are going to replace web developers or not. Well, certainly yes, but only those web developers whose basics and fundamentals are not sure. Let's assume that you are working on a big project and there are certain bugs which got generated and you have to resolve them. But you will not be resolving them with the help of these AI agents. Why? Because they are the one who created them, right? So you have to debug your code and see what things are going wrong. And if you are professional in doing that thing, then yeah, you are safe. Or else your job is in risk. And this is one of the main reasons why companies are firing off interns and people working at low positions, because their work is being done efficiently by these AI agents. And if you have a strong foundation of basics and can fix bugs and can write good prompts, then you are going to rock in the field. सीधी सी बात है, देखा जाए तो बस बात करना आना चाहिए. That's all from my side for today, and I am currently studying at Scalar School of Technology. And if you wish to give its entrance test, then you can use my referral code provided in the description box below. Do check it out. Till then, bye.